Does your manufacturing business feel like it's constantly fighting against operational inefficiencies, leading to missed deadlines and lost opportunities? You're not alone. Meet MOPS by Synchrox Tech, a transformative 20-week program anchored by 3 pillars designed to revolutionize your manufacturing operations, making them leaner, smarter, and more profitable. Pillar 1, EXOP focuses on operational excellence. In the first 12 weeks, we dissect your processes, identify inefficiencies, and implement smart solutions. From real-time data integration to workflow automation, we lay a solid foundation for streamlined operations. Starting with a deep operational audit, moving through strategy development, and culminating in the implementation of customized solutions, EXOP transforms your manufacturing floor into a beacon of efficiency and productivity. Pillar 2, STOX, our smart stock optimization. Post-EXOP, we tackle your inventory challenges head-on. Within 4 weeks, STOX ensures you have the right stock at the right time, maximizing resource use and minimizing waste. Pillar 3, PERK, our profit enhancement and revenue kickstart, brings financial clarity and insight, empowering you with the tools to monitor, analyze, and boost your bottom line. In the final 4 weeks, watch your profits soar as we fine-tune your financial strategy. Across these 3 pillars, MOPS guarantees measurable improvements within just 60 days. Our promise is not just transformation, but a partnership where we extend our support until your goals are met. Why MOPS? Because like you, we believe in not just meeting, but exceeding expectations. Join the League of Manufacturing Leaders who've made operational nightmares a thing of the past. Take the first step towards operational mastery. With MOPS, your manufacturing operations future is not just brighter, it's unparalleled. Contact Synchrox Tech today. Synchrox Tech's MOPS, where manufacturing meets innovation. Let's build the future of manufacturing together.